Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, we are going to explore a new amazing AI tool that can do things like this. And additionally, I'm going to show you at the end of the video how you can utilize this new AI tool to make money with it. So are you excited? Well, let's go. The new AI tool we are going to explore today is the Image Enhancer tool from AI Arty. This tool is an AI Image Enhancer software that can upscale, denoise, deblur, and add more detail to any image you want. Click the link in the description, and then we get here where we can try out the free trial. When we scroll down, we get a preview of what the software is capable of. Okay, click on Free Trial. After it has been downloaded, let us install the program. Okay, here it is. Now I already made this folder with 5 images I want to upscale to show you how the program works. Simply drag and drop an image here like this, and now it is immediately starting to upscale the image. After a few seconds, it'll be done. Just look at the result. Astonishing. When we take a look to the right, we can see that first we can choose what hardware it is using, and we will leave it at what it is. Next up, there are the different AI models. There are 5 different AI models to enhance your images. More detail, AIGC Smooth and the Real Photo model, and also different versions of the models, like version 2 and 3. Then we can choose to upscale it to the max of 8K. We can even restore a face, and then also add text. I will show all of them. Let's click on Single Export to export our enhanced image. You can change the format and quality, but we will leave it like it is. And now export it. Okay, let's click on the plus button, and now we will add another image. Watch me enhance this family image with different AI models. Just amazing. Now let's click on Face Restoration. Let's zoom in. Okay, wow, that is so cool. Let's enhance it again with different models. Okay, now it is time for this image that I generated with AI. Okay, this is nice, but I want to upscale it to 8K this time. Let's do that right here. While the program is doing its job upscaling the image, I want to bring your attention to this. AI Arty has an amazing new deal for you with up to 62% discount. You can now get a lifetime deal image and video toolbox with the AI Arty Image Enhancer, AI Arty Image Matting, Video Prop Converter AI, and the 5K player. Instead paying $343, you can now get it for $129, so you will save $214. Be sure to get this deal before it is gone. The link is in the description. Okay, let's get back. It is done. Let's inspect it by zooming in. Okay, wow, this is so much sharper. I love it. Now we are going to enhance this blurry flower image. Just amazing. Watch me enhance it with different AI models. We can even add some text if we want like this. Next up, we are going to enhance this image of this dog. Watch me enhance it with different AI models and let me know in the comments which AI model you like most. Last but not least, we are going to enhance this example AI image. Just look at the details. Simply amazing. Now I am going to tell you how you can make money with this program. Well, simply start a Fiverr gig and offer to enhance image for people. Look right here. There are a lot of people successfully doing this and making thousands of dollars. There are a lot of people that want their old family images, for example, to be restored and enhanced. This image enhance tool from AI Arty will give you the power to deliver amazing results. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Try out this new AI image enhance tool from AI Arty. And also be sure to check out the option to use the program and make money with it on Fiverr. Have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, Be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.